In maths today, you're going to be playing monster multiplication. Okay, so you'll need the dice that was put into your pack last Friday, and then I've put on Padlet. If you'd like to do the mild maths, there is a selection of multiplication skills that you can practice today. Might be your 1 times, 2 times, 5 times or 10 times. Okay, and you'll find that in the book here. We've got 1 times there and 2 times, 5 times, and further towards the back, we've got 10 times. So they'll be the sheets that you would need if you're doing mild. Then if you have a look at spicy and at hot, you will see the numbers that I would like you to practice as well. So I'm going to show you what you need to do. And this is something you can either do with someone, so you might have a grown-up or a brother or sister at home who'll be able to play this with you. Or you can just do this by yourself and challenge yourself to see if you can get them all. Okay, so you'll have the dice and need to throw 2 dice to start with. Okay, so I'm going to do the 4 times tables as a practice. Okay, so you would throw your 2 dice, and I am going to pretend that I have thrown a 3 and a 5. What the next thing that I need to do is add my 3 and 5. So I know that 3 plus 5 equals 8. So my multiplication problem will now be 4 times 8. And I need to find out what the answer to 4 times 8 is. And we've got at least 3 different ways that we can do this. You might know these number facts in your head, and that's great. But we've been doing groups of, in multiplication at school, arrays, and also repeated addition. So you can have a go at using any of those that help you to work this out easily. Okay, so if we have a look here, I have got 4 rows of 8, and I could count them up. I could possibly count by 4s along if I go 4 down there plus another 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus another 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. And then 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. And 28 plus 4, I will split my 4 into 2 2s. So I have 28 plus 2 takes me to 30, and then another 2 will give me 32. I could do my repeated addition, so I know that double 8 is 16, and I've got a double 8 here and a double 8 here. So could I add 16 plus 16, or do I go along and just add my 8s together? So 8 plus 8 is 16 because that's double 16. Then I'm going to add another 8 to 16, and I can do that by counting on. I could possibly split my 8 into 2 4s because I know that 16 plus 4 will equal 20 because we did number bonds last week. Then I've got 4 left over, so then I have 24 with 3 8s, and I can count on from 24, or I could split my 8 here into a 6 and a 2 because I know that by adding a 6 to 24 will take me up to the next 10, which would give me 30, and then I would have 2 left over, which gives me 32. And we've got our groups up here as well if you'd like to count those. So there are different ways for you to be able to work out your multiplication today, but once you've worked out the answer, which is 32, then on your sheet here, that is where you can put a counter on the answer 32, okay? Then you would throw your dice again, see what numbers you get, add them up, and then multiply again, okay? So that is your activity for maths today. Have some fun.